in the grass. We've been here before. You out there while I'm stuck in here, looking out from the bedroom with a crack in the glass. So Priscilla, this is a warning, trying to tell us this is a war. No goodbyes and no time for mourning. Now we'll see what this love is for. I believe in springtime, I believe in dead leaves in the wind, and I know that endings are the best place to begin. But when I watched you come in and I saw you brush up against the ferns, all I